After researching memory loss caused by junk food, studies have shown that junk food does in fact affect memory. Surprisingly, consistently eating junk food, even just for a week, can cause permanent memory loss. Besides memory loss, consuming junk food also causes obvious problems with your health, one of them being obesity. Based on all of the studies and experiments already tested, if a group of senior girls were divided into half, then split, one half eat junk food and the other eat healthy food, the group of senior girls that eat healthy food will do significantly better on a memory test than the girls who ate pure junk food. According to all the research found, we can assume that this hypothesis will be supported. We chose our sample using a simple SRS sample. We chose senior girls, 5 for healthy, 5 for junk food. Next, we had to find food that might affect memory, whether in a positive or negative way. The healthy foods we chose to use in our experiment were a mix of fruits and vegetables. We used carrots, celery, tomatoes, pineapple, watermelon, cantaloupe, and coconut. Some of the junk food that we used in the experiment were various chips such as Doritos, Cheetos, and Lay's, various candies such as sour gummy worms, pixie sticks, and gummy bears, and we also had chocolate chip cookies. Here are the final girls we chose for our experiment. Jasmine, Stephanie, Michaela, Kelly, Charisse, Christine, Jennifer, and Saoirse. We had the girls eat for a span of 5 minutes. Next, we had the girls look at the test that we gave them. We had them study it for 1 minute and try to memorize as many pictures as they possibly could. Here's a picture of the memory test we gave the girls. Next, Araceli took home the test to find out how the girls scored. She checked how many pictures the girls found and then calculated the number at the top. Then counted up the total for healthy food and junk food and then averaged them. Here are the results.
Okay, so yesterday we did the experiment and we had 2 people that didn't show up. One person from the healthy food and one person from the junk food. And in total, for the healthy food, the total was 57 and that they memorized altogether, and then the average was 14.25.
And then for junk food, the total was 45 and the average was 11.25.
Now on to the conclusion. As the experiment and project came to an end, we were able to calculate our results and create our final conclusion. Our overall data and results were that eating healthy food does increase and help your memory. Our conclusion was conducted by the averages of the 2 groups, being that healthy foods overall average was 14.25 and junk foods overall average was 11.25. However, due to the facts that 2 subjects, one that was supposed to be in the junk food portion and one that was supposed to be in the healthy food portion, did not show up, the results may have differed. We worked with who did show up and the materials we did have.